The coronavirus did not stop the Supreme Court from hearing arguments on whether President Trump's bank and accountants can be forced to give investigators his tax returns and other financial records. As Jan Crawford reports, the potential burden of congressional inquiries is a key issue here.
At some point, there's a straw that breaks the camel's back.
Over more than 3 hours, Supreme Court justices focused on where investigations become a presidential distraction.
There is a long, long history of Congress seeking records and getting them.
At stake, whether House Democrats investigating the president's business dealings and a New York grand jury looking into his campaign can subpoena tax returns and other records Mr. Trump has long sought to keep private.
We're fighting all the subpoenas.
The Supreme Court has told other presidents to comply with court orders. President Nixon in Watergate, President Clinton in the sexual harassment lawsuit by Paula Jones.
The presidency is being harassed.
President Trump's personal lawyer, Jay Sekulow, argued his client has temporary presidential immunity from such subpoenas while in office.
The president isn't above the law.
Some justices seem skeptical of that argument and appeared to search for a middle ground.
How can we both protect the House's interests in obtaining information it needs to legislate, but also protect the presidency?
Jeffrey Rosen, president of the National Constitution Center, says the case is hard to predict.
You could imagine the court sending both cases back to lower courts, and that means we could be back at the Supreme Court again, but if that happens, that would probably be after the next presidential election.
For CBS This Morning, Jan Crawford, Washington.